Hello, another demo about the file chooser, and this time it's after polishing based on feedback. I think it's a lot better because of that. So let's look. The basics are the same. You open it and maybe I point out the changes. There's a line here now, finally, to separate these two sides a little bit. The filtering has moved to the top, and the list here now has icons in the front, so that you can distinguish files and folders more easily, or at all in this case. Yeah, that's a layout change and a presentation change here. And then there's a functionality change, which is that now you can select folders like you can select files. I could select this now or this, it's all the same. And if you want to navigate to a folder, you have to double click on this. We do this already in the file browser application, so it's very natural to do it here as well. And I don't know how browsers are with double clicks. It's perfectly supported, so I guess it's fine. It's not used a lot, I think, in my experience, and it's not used in general in Cockpit a lot. But let's do it here for file browsing. Of course, on the desktop it also happens with double clicks, so should be fine. That's interesting here when you're selecting a directory. So now you can just click here and you can select it. It doesn't navigate immediately, it's not confusing. If you want to go there, you double click, it is still selected. So if it's still, although nothing is highlighted here, though, in that case the one at the top is the one that you select, and it's spelled out here, so I hope that's clear. But now if you want to have this, you can click here, and if you want to go and look inside, you double click. Another change, layout change or presentation change, is that now the placeholder empty state has been implemented as a real empty state with an icon and a much larger text. Maybe that's a bit too large, I don't know. And there's also a little bit about filtering that is new. Let's go to this one to show that. So if I would now start typing here XXX, then nothing matches, and you get a nice empty state for this, and you can have a button here to clear the filters. And in this case, because they are actually ISO files, clearing the filters will just clear out the text filtering here, the free text filtering. But if you are in a place, what do I want to show? Because my whole directory has ISO, so now I'm a bit confused. Let's go to here. Exactly. So there are no ISO files in this directory. And if I'm filtering, of course, nothing will show up, of course. But if I now press on clear filters, then it jumps all the way back to all files so that it can show you something here. Yeah, a bit complicated, but I hope it's intuitive. If you're happy to only look at ISO files, like in recent, and then you filter down something, you try to find your Alpine images, but you misspell it and you can't figure that out immediately, and you clear, then you're still looking at only ISO files. So the breadcrumb has a new icon here. Oh, I forgot about the slash. That's not so easy to implement, unfortunately. The arrow here is hard-coded into Patternfly, and our file browser changes that via CSS, so we should do the same here. But I forgot about it, I guess, for the demo. I think that's it already. So thanks a lot again for the feedback. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.